That's good.
As you'll see here, I'm not the best at backing up the hiker. Fortunately, I've got plenty of help off camera helping me to navigate into this site.
Hey guys, we're here in the Monongahela National Forest. So it is wet. Wet.
After a 2-hour drive in the rain, we arrived at the Stone Coal Camping Area along the Shavers Fork of the Chief River. After a brief lunch, we hung out around camp for the rest of the day, while some more adventurous campers decided to try their hand at kayaking down the river.
Alright guys, be safe!
Our second day started off much better. It was drier, we were able to build a fire, and my dad fixed us breakfast. We just spent most of the day relaxing around camp, reading, and enjoying one another's company. That evening, we decided to fix pizza for dinner in the Dutch oven. Fortunately, because the rain stopped and the water in the river started to recede, we were able to get out and do a little trout fishing. Here's my dad cleaning up some of the trout we caught. Here we are frying up a little bit of the trout for our last breakfast in camp. Well, we hope you enjoyed this short video highlighting our weekend adventures along the Shavers Fork River in the Mon National Forest. As always, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see what we're going to do next, please subscribe. Have a great day.